In this video, we'll walk you through the installation of Rockford Fosgate's new aftermarket audio speakers for Harley-Davidson. Welcome back. I'm Eric with Rockford Fosgate, and today we'll be walking you through the installation process of our new TMS14-57 saddlebag speakers on a 2019 CVO Street Glide. Now, the installation will be identical on both CVO Street Glide and CVO Road Glide. Now, to get started, we need to remove the main fuse on the motorcycle. Now that that's done, disconnect any harnesses from the factory speaker. Then, while supporting the grill, remove the 4 silver screws on the inside using a T20 Torx. Carefully close the lid and remove the grills. Next, use a T20 Torx to remove the 4 black screws holding the speaker in place. Remove the speaker and install the new TMS14-57 with the speaker terminals facing forward. Secure using the 4 T20 screws. Replace the grill and carefully brace it while securing the original screws back in place. Now, on Boom 2 systems, zip tie the second harness to the first one, as this is not needed. Then plug in the harness to the speaker terminal until it clicks into place. The kit also includes Diamond R logos that can be stuck over the existing bar and shield ones. Once you're done, repeat the process on the other side. Now we're ready to reinstall the fuse back onto the motorcycle and make sure everything is working properly. All right. As you can see, that install was pretty straightforward. But if you prefer a professional do the install, we have a network of authorized Rockford Fosgate dealers that can be found on our website. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our technical support. They can be reached Monday through Friday at 1-800-669-9899 or through live chat at the bottom of our website at rockfordfosgate.com. Until next time, I'm Eric, and we'll see you again soon.